CL. So at the moment, I've got off the low, the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm looking for this 3, 4, 5 up here. Now I could be off a degree, which all that means is this 3's in at the 138.2 and we're in this 4. But either way, we're looking up next in the to 78.93. But I'm looking for this 4. It can come down as low as 72.31. I don't really want to see it down there, to be honest, and I'd rather not see it any lower than we are now. So I'm looking for CL to climb back up, and on the lower time frames, and particularly the day trading chart, let's look for a micro 5 up, 3 back, and that would get me long CL again. But you know, it needs now to show us a pattern off the bottom to suggest it's in, and I'm not prepared to just take it blindly yet. Let's wait and get 5 up, 3 back on a micro scale. Bear in mind we're going up another 500 pips in the next leg, so there's no rush to go knife catching or jumping into this thing. Now I'm going to do NG next, sorry, and let's just come across to the daily chart. At the moment, we hit this 1.0 yesterday, last week rather. We were starting to unfold nicely to the downside until earlier this morning, and then it's pushed back up and nigh on double topped. So this can still hold and come down. If not, we're going to push up to 33.32 as per the write-ups I've been putting out each morning, and then down. But we are done, or a hair's breadth from done, and then we get a major move down. In terms of our positioning in DGAS, I know we're underwater, but even if the 2 is already in, this 2 is in over here, which is possible, I think it's unlikely, then this would be a leading diagonal to the upside. We're still going to come down here to the 2672, 2604 region in the 2 back. We go to deep, and it should be swift 2 back if that's a leading diagonal up for a 1. And therefore we will still get out of our DGAS position and in a profitable situation. So just looking to get the confirmed top in and start the bulk of the move down, and then I'll worry about what to do about the positioning in it. But at the moment I'm still anticipating coming out with either a small profit or a very large profit in DGAS. It's just a question of which. And there you can see there's the double top in the 4-hour chart. And we're just a hair's breadth from invalidating this and pushing one level higher. But at the moment, if we come all the way down to the 15-minute chart, all I've got up is a straightforward A, B, and I know it looks impulsive, but it's a C wave, and I need to see this come back down below here next. That would invalidate both any idea of an impulse or a diagonal up if we can take the bottom of that B wave out today. So let's keep it close eye on everything, including NG this morning.